Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Would you like a brand new quote to help kickstart your day? The Learn, Develop, Live podcast brings you another 1 minute of motivation. And here is that quote for your day. The key to being where few people are is to start doing what few people do. People want the fame, the money and the success, but most don't want to do the work that goes with it first. There is really only about 1% of those people who want that success who will actually go out there and do the work that other 99% of people just won't do. If you want to be part of the elite 1%, the best time to start is right now.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.